Welcome to the NTU Open House. I'm Associate Professor Liu Wenxia, the Dean overseeing the NIE's undergraduate program. NIE is an autonomous institution within NTU. In NIE, we have the Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science in double major programs, as well as the Bachelor of Science, Sports Science and Management program for potential sport professionals. Since you are at the open house, I assume you are trying to decide what to do with your life and where to go for your undergraduate studies. Although it was many years ago, I still remember very vividly that I was at the same crossroad as you. At that time, my dad wanted me to be a doctor, and my mom wanted me to be a lawyer. It was a very confusing time. However, I'm not suggesting that you don't listen to your parents, but for me, eventually, I chose to be a teacher. As a teacher and a mom, my advice to you is to try to find the sweet spot where you combine your passion and your gifts and do something that you find meaning in. You will not only have an interesting university life, you will also have a very meaningful, fulfilling life. If you love sports and are interested in coaching, if you are keen in helping our potential Olympians perform at their peak, if you are interested in promoting health and wellness, or if you want to work in sport marketing, sport tourism, or sport management, you'll need to check out the details of our Bachelor of Science, Sport Science and Management program. It is a 4-year direct honors undergraduate program that prepares you to be a sport professional in Singapore and the region. For those who are considering teaching, please find out all you can about the NTU NIE Teaching Scholars Program. The Teaching Scholars Program is one of NTU's youngest premier scholars program. The program is relatively new, so your teachers may not have heard about it. In Singapore, there are 2 main routes to be a teacher: the 4 years degree program, as well as the 16-month PGD program. For students who have made an early decision to be a teacher, you have a chance to join us for our flagship undergraduate program. It is a 4-year direct honors program that will equip you with 2 majors, an academic discipline as well as the education major. Examples of NIE's content disciplines include the sciences such as chemistry, biology, physics and energy studies, mathematics and computational thinking, as well as physical education and sports science. Examples of academic discipline in the arts include English language and linguistics, English literature, Chinese studies, Tamil studies, Malay studies, geography, history, music, and art. Our degree students have 4 practicum stints in school. You have a lot of opportunities to practice and learn. Imagine, actually in one of the stints, you can go overseas and teach alongside teachers in Finland, Norway, Denmark, Switzerland, US, Canada, Japan, Korea, China. Very exciting, right? I'm proud to say, we are not just preparing you to be teachers. We are preparing you to be professionals and leaders of educational change. Although we have a fantastic 16-month PGD program that does a great job in preparing our teachers, there's no way, no matter how innovative we are or how hard we try, can we give our PGD students all the experiences we can give to our degree students who are with us for 4 years. Just some food for thought. We prepare doctors in 5 years in Singapore, engineers in 4 years, lawyers in 3 years. Teachers are the foundation of all professions. Without good teachers, there will be no doctors, no engineers, and no lawyers. Hence, I believe that teachers deserve to have a dedicated and immersive program that equips you with deep knowledge in your discipline, a good understanding of your students, and prepares you to solve real-world problems in the classroom. The Ministry of Education shares the belief. Should you be accepted into our program, You will be sponsored by the Ministry of Education for the NTU NIE Teaching Scholars Program and the double major undergraduate degree. Make an informed decision whether you choose the Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science double major program for aspiring teachers or the Bachelor of Science Sports Science and Management program for sports professionals. I look forward to welcoming you to NIE next semester.